Welcome to my channel, where you always get tips about you health and health is wealth. Hey everyone, I'm excited to share some incredible tips today that can help make your heart not just healthier, but happier too. Let's dive right into how you can unlock the secrets to a stronger heart. First things first, let's talk about what you're eating. Did you know that adding just a handful of nuts or a slice of avocado to your diet every day can work wonders for your heart health? These aren't just tasty snacks, they're packed with heart-healthy fats that help control cholesterol and improve overall heart function. Now, moving on to exercise. I can't stress this enough. Regular physical activity, whether it's brisk walking, cycling, or even dancing, can significantly reduce your risk of heart disease. Aim for at least 150 minutes of moderate intensity exercise per week. Remember, it's not about intense workouts every day, but consistency. So keep your body moving and your heart will thank you for it. Let's not forget hydration. Drinking enough water is crucial for maintaining your heart's efficiency. Dehydration can lead to an increase in heart rate and a drop in blood pressure. So aim for about 8 glasses a day, and yes, tea and juices count too, but watch out for the sugar content. Sleep. Oh, how important sleep is. A good night's rest isn't just great for your mood, but it's essential for heart health. Lack of sleep has been linked to a higher risk of heart disease and hypertension. So make sure you're getting around 9 hours of quality sleep each night. Lastly, manage that stress. Chronic stress can contribute to heart disease and other health problems. Whether it's through meditation, yoga, or just taking a walk in nature, find what calms you and make it a part of your daily routine. Incorporating these habits into your life isn't just about avoiding illness. It's about enhancing your vitality and enjoying your life to the fullest. So let's make a pledge to take better care of our hearts, starting today. Remember, a happy heart is a strong heart. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit the like button, share and subscribe. Stay healthy and see you next time.